Hi guys, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Let's continue our WOP project. So here you can see here in our last class we done the UI part. Here we have to give the names. Okay, we have to change the name of this target this text box name. We have to change it first. As a txt name. This one should we have changed it as txt amount. This one should be txt date. Right. Now, first, this is the new button. You double click on this. This button, what you're going to do is here, we have to txt name dot set text. You have to write clear. Second one, txt amount set clear. Third one, txt date need to be clear. So we have to clear the things, whatever you are written. Right? So if you are right through the program, you can see click target. If you have written something else here, if you want to clear, click new button here, it's clear. Right? Clear. I want to focus on the target name text field. So you have to write the same name, you have to put it here. Txt name dot request focus. Right. Now let's run and check. Click on this, type something else, click new here, it's focus here. Right, perfect. Now what you're going to do is I'm going to add the data save method data using the WOP model. So in order to do the task, we have to first go to the controller. We simply have to go to the controller. Before that, we have to add the, we have to go to the Google and type MySQL connector jar. Click on here. You have to get the jar file. Right. You have to select the jar file. Click on here. Second one. Right here. This is zip file. You have to download them. No thanks. I just start my download. You have to the download started. You have to wait until the download has been completed to this file. So in order to do the thing is first you have to go to this is your project. Okay, this is a project. You have to build the project. You go to the your project. Whereas your project is created the directory. Here your project is created. So just copy this path. It go here. Paste on here. Which is your project? My project is sales tab. Okay, go here. Here I'm going to create the one file, right? Which is a I'm going to create lib. That is a lib. Here inside the lib folder, I'm going to pass it that connector, right? So when you cut this your project and bring into another machine, that driver is not affected. So that we have to pass it here. So you go here, you can this is downloaded. I just extract them file. You have this one, the MySQL jar. Here you can see the MySQL jar. Just copy it. This one, this one. So paste it here inside the lib folder. Right. Okay, right. Perfect. Now what you're going to do is here. After that, you have to go to the lib folder, the libraries. You have to add it here. So you just add jar folder. You have to select that from your project. So our project is by here. This project you have to this copy this path. We have to given the path C drive. The C drive. Yes, the C drive. It's located the C drive. Users HP. Users HP. Documents NetBeans. So documents NetBeans project. Here I'm going to target here this one sales target inside the folder. Here's the lib folder. We have a MySQL, right? We have to attach like this. So here it's built. So this is how we have to attach it. This is efficient way to do it, right? This is must, right? Okay, that's we have built it, right? Perfect. Right now here your file is there, right? So it's perfect. Things you have to do it, right? Now what you're going to do is after that I'm going to go to the controller file. This is a controller. This controller I'm going to make it as a class, which is a target controller. Target controller. This controller class, we have to make this method, which is static. Public static. It's a boolean. The same, right? So it passed the arguments string name. What are the fields are there? Name, amount, and address. Amount and date. Okay. So here we have to implement that name. This argument. You write string amount. We are not doing anything else. We just make it a string date. All right. So here we have to open and close curly bracket. Here we have to write it here is first you have to string URL equal jdbc dot mysql colon localhost. You have to given the port. Here mysql workbench. MySQL workbench, you can see there's a port. You have to write the what's the port it will be running. 32.6. This is a port it will be running. You have to open it. Here this is about what it will be running. So get a port over here. The database name, which is a database name you have created. Database name, which is IFC. This one. Here you can see the target. You have to open up. This is your tables, right? So target. So IFC. Right, so I have tried here IFC, right? Simple stuff you have tried. After that, you have tried the string your username. The username equal is a root. While installing the MySQL workbench, I gave the username as root. String password, you write password equal, you write root 123 is my password, right? That's it. That's the thing you write. Use the username and password is right. Okay. What is the row? Sorry. Right. Perfect. Right. Now what I'm going to do is after that, we have to write the register the driver. So you have to write the register driver you are using class dot phoname. First you have to write com dot mysql dot you have to write cj dot cj dot mysql CZ JDBC dot driver. You have to register the new way driver like this, right? So here it's not a task to import the try and catch block. Some try and catch block. This error go away. You can see here. After that, what you're going to see, you have to write a connection. So you have to write a connection of this connection. That is con equal driver manager. To make a connection, you have to write the connection class. So you have to write here imports java dot sql java dot sql. Okay, add the SQL package over here. Right, import java.sql. Right, after that you have to write driver manager. Driver manager dot get connection, the URL, comma username, comma pass PW. That's it. That's the thing. You have to write it. After that, what I'm going to do is here we have to add the another catch block as well. This one implemented. Perfect. Now what you're going to do is here and write the prepare statement. You have to write prepare statement. You have to create the prepare statement object. So you have to write prepare statement. Prepare statement. PST equal con dot prepare statement. Here you have to write this SQL. You have to write the you have to write the you have to check the SQL codes over here. Right? You have to check the SQL codes. Right? So you have to write it here. You have to write it here. You have to write insert into which table you are going to add it? Target table. Here the table which name is target. So target. This is the columns. Name, amount and date. So you write into target here by the name, comma, amount and date only. Right? After that, values here you write 3 question marks as a parameters. That's it. That's the thing you have to write it over here. Right, here you have to implement the prepared statement. That's around prepared statement. Right, perfect. Right, that's the thing you have to write it. Now you have to set it pst dot set string. You have type one mean name. Write one name. What's the name you are coming here? Name. Here, parameters. Second one should be the two mean amount. 3 mean you have set as a date. Right. Simple stuff you have tried it. After that, you have tried pst dot execute non-query. You have to ask the non-query execute non-query. So we ask to execute update. Execute update this one. That's it. That's the thing you have tried it. Right. After that, you have write a return true. right? Return true. If there any problem, return false, right? That's the thing you have to write it. Bus error, right? Return true, right? Here you have return true, right? Okay, that's the thing we have to write it, right? Right. I hope you guys you understood the things well. In my next video tutorial, I am going to teach about the this class. I'm how to save the data. Right. Thank you for watching.